What is an implied contract? An implied contract is a legally binding agreement that arises from the conduct, actions, or circumstances of the parties involved rather than a written or spoken agreement. It ensures fairness by preventing one party from benefiting at the expense of another without compensation. One example is an implied warranty, where a purchased product is expected to perform its intended function. If a refrigerator fails to keep food cold, the seller or manufacturer may be held accountable for breaching the implied contract. Similarly, in business and service transactions, implied contracts exist when services are rendered and payment is expected, even if no formal agreement was made. There are two main types of implied contracts. 1. Implied-in-law contracts, quasi-contracts. These contracts are based on fairness rather than the actions of the parties.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
For example, if a doctor provides emergency medical aid to an unconscious person, the law may recognize an implied-in-law contract requiring the patient to compensate the doctor, even though no prior agreement existed. 2. Implied-in-fact contracts. These arise from the conduct and past dealings of the parties. If a company routinely orders goods from a supplier at market price without renegotiating terms, an implied-in-fact contract exists, obligating payment under the same conditions. Another example is receiving a haircut at a salon by requesting the service. The customer implicitly agrees to pay for it. Although implied contracts are legally enforceable, they can be challenging to prove due to the absence of written terms. Some agreements, particularly those involving large financial transactions or real estate, must be in writing to be legally binding in certain jurisdictions. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.